So a couple of weekends ago, we got the opportunity to dive in Panama City. It was a anniversary present for both me and Michaela to each other. Brought a couple of friends along and had an absolutely killer time. Really high highs, really low lows. With that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and maybe I can teach you a couple things about the USS Strength as well as the bridge spans that are down there in the Panhandle. Thanks for watching. The USS Strength, a World War II minesweeper, saw action off of Iwo Jima and Okinawa, where she survived both a midget submarine attack as well as a kamikaze raid. After all that action, she served for salvage divers in Washington, D.C. and then Panama City. It was sunk on its own for the last time in 1987. She laid on her side for years before being righted by a hurricane in 1995. At just less than 80 feet, divers can easily swim between the two sections of the Strength's hull, where the bow is separated from the rest of the ship. With the USS Strength, you're looking at around 185 feet in length. To the beam is 33 feet, and it was sunk in 1987, May 19th. If you're in Panama City and you get a chance to dive this wreck, definitely do. The wildlife is fantastic, ample amount of fish life. You're gonna see 3 to 5 foot groupers, plenty of spadefish, paired fish. Occasionally you might get lucky and see a ray or a shark around that area as well. Definitely worth it. With about 30 foot of visibility around the time that we went, although after speaking with a couple of dive masters, I have discovered that it can get up to about 50 feet of visibility around that area, so that's not bad for anything in the Panhandle. dive of the day, we got to check out a bridge span. It was bridge span 12. Now there are a couple of different bridge spans that were originally built and connected to Panama City. After they were taken down, they were sunk back in the 80s. While you're down there, look out for that sand shark. It's a good 7 to 8 feet, and it's pretty frequent in the area. So if you're enjoying looking for sharks, that is definitely the location that you want to check out if you're diving in Panama City. The bridge spans were a relatively easy dive as far as depth goes. I believe that we got down into the mid 60, maybe even touched 70 at the very, very deepest part of it. But if you are just simply a recreational diver and staying around that 60-foot mark or less, you can definitely still have a very enjoyable experience on the bridge spans.
Stay with me.